Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. Short climb 3AC as der derivative exposures is worth much less than reported. The creditors of 3 raw capital may be left holding the bag according to a search who claim the hedge fund exports to debit is only worth $25 million. Court documents that describe the insolvency of violent crypto hedge fund 3 raw capital, also known as 3AC, may be overestimating the value of the firm's remaining assets, specifically its exposure to crypto option exchange derivative. In a 1.100-page affidavit confessed by liquidator Russell Crumpler and filed in a British Virgin Islands court, 3AC was described as insolvent and in need of being completely wound up because its management cannot be trusted to retain any remaining assets of the benefit of creditors. The document also detailed 3AC as remaining assets, which included shares of Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, GBTC cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, BTC, Avalanche, AVAX, and NEAR, and EAR, and shares of derivative. Liquidators want access to test assets in order to visit creditors' claims, which are worth at least $2.8 billion. Total claim right now are $2.8. Many have not made any claims yet or quantified the amount of their claims for confidentially reasons. Expect this figure to rise substantially, and the deadline to make a claim is right up to the day before distribution are to be made. According to the affidavit, the derivative shares are believed to be worth $500 million or half of 3ACS remaining asset. However, a short with knowledge of
So thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.